Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to create these fake text story videos that have been going viral for a while now.
We're breaking up. I cheated.
Oh no, how tragic.
First, you want to head over to aicut.pro, sign up for an account, and then go to the Create page. Here you select the fake text video category. Let's go over the video settings. We select from the multiple supported languages. The one our fake text story is going to be written in. I will keep notification sounds enabled. They will be added after each message. Now let's customize the chat template. We can select between light and dark mode as of now, with more options to come. Then we give our chat contact a name and a profile picture. For the background video, we can select from multiple popular options. Minecraft and Subway Surfer are my favorite, but you can also choose GreenScreen and add your own video background in your video editing program. For the voice selection, many voices are available. You can click through them to preview how they sound. To me, 11 Labs voices sound the best, but cost 2 instead of 1 token to use. We select one voice for the left and one for the right chat speaker. You can also select background music if you like. I will leave it empty this time. Now it's time to add our chat messages. Each message has customization options. You can select whether the message is text or an image. If you type in your message, it will show up in the preview. The position left or right can be selected as well. There is also the option to exaggerate the voice. Don't forget to add sound effects to your messages once in a while. They are fun. And of course, you can also delete your message. I just inserted a chat story that I created using ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a video on how to do that. Double checking the settings, they look alright, so I'm going ahead and click on Create Fake Text Story Video. Now on the videos page, I see my video is being generated. It only takes a few minutes. You will also receive an email once the video is done. Now the video is done, I will click on View Video to preview what was generated.
Cool.
I can't believe you. We're breaking up. I cheated.
Oh no, how tragic.
The video preview looks fine. If you scroll down, you can download the video or post it to YouTube directly. And that's it. Head over to aicut.pro to generate your fake text story videos and grow within this trending niche. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next one.